Okay, hi guys, this is 1.3 removing discontinuities.
Disclaimer, I meant to say
Get started into question 1. As you can see, the question is, you're basically trying to find the whole of the f of x here, displaced. And right now I'm getting into factoring the x squared minus 25 over x plus 5. There wasn't supposed to be a c there, but you can see when I make the mistake. And when I factor it out, it will be, one of my holes will be x equals -5, leaving x minus 5 over 1. And yeah, right here I'm saying get the whole, and I'm gonna plug in. Well, I'm trying to find the limit, not plug in, trying to find the limit. Sorry, Miss Jensen, I didn't mean to put a plug in. But yeah, we're gonna use x equals -5, which is the x value of the whole, and use it to substitute it for x, which is -5 minus -5, which is supposed to equal -10, not -10 over c, but I didn't realize I wasn't supposed to put a c. So yeah, you will see that mistake. And as you can tell, I'm sitting there very confused, trying to figure out why it's not simplify it down. And there you go, I realized my mistake. I said no. But yeah, the whole would be, basically, it would be not continuous at all. And our c value, which is for the second equation that's in the f of x equation up there, is x equals -5. And that's just to show what the c value, the y value of that x is at that particular point, or instantaneous point. Well, it will equal -10, and so it'll round to summarize it all up, is -5 and -10. Yeah, that's the point where your hole is. And that means that your graph will be discontinued at that certain type of point. And here I'm reading it, I'm underlining it. I'm not really going to read it that fast, but you can understand what it's asking for. Right now it's just asking for the whole using f of -10. And I'm sitting there writing it out. Yay! Just writing it all out. And also, don't forget to know how to build your pre-C's equations, because those are very important. But as you can tell, I already got that down. So yeah, got all of that down. And now it's time to factor. And our factoring will be x plus 10, x in parentheses, x minus 2 in parentheses over x plus 10. And yeah, the x plus 10s are going to cancel out, leaving you at x minus 2. And you're trying to find a, which is the y. And there, your whole will be -10 for the x. And yeah, substitute the x with -10. And yeah, I'm just showing you what we want is the y value of the whole to see where to discontinue that. But once I substitute it in, wow, I write slow. Okay, as the limit, as x approaches -10, well, keep forgetting that it's not supposed to plug in. You're supposed to find the limit as x approaches -10. That's a reminder. But when you plug it in, your whole would just be ultimately -10 and -12. I'm going really slow right here. I don't know why I went so slow to write that step, but it's kind of self-explanatory. Just plug it in. Yeah, that's your whole. That is where the point of your graph where it's not continued.